Okay folks, we're here at Pet Zone in San Diego, California. And Pet Zone is located in the Kearny Mesa area, central San Diego. Over here I'm showing you a selection of the Ultum Nature system rimless aquariums. These are absolutely well-made aquariums, 45-degree angles, ultra clear silicone, rimless, and just amazing glass quality. They have several options available, including the super low iron glass. These are the type of aquariums that you want to use for real beautiful displays in your home. So again, it's Pet Zone in San Diego, California. They offer a wide array of these smaller nano tanks, and they have larger ones. I'd like to show you one of them here. Here's one of the larger Ultum Nature system rimless aquariums. Right here, Ultum Nature. This is a stand, custom, and an available piece. It's a beautiful piece. This one here is about 4 foot long by 2 foot wide and 1 foot tall. So, this beautiful piece of wood here is tom bar special, hand collected, raw manzanita, and naturally dried, so it doesn't have any of the toxins of fresh wood. It's a beautiful piece for aquascaping, and I mean, you can put it in a tank like this. You can have it emergent out of the water, plant some, put some tillandsia or some other emergent plants out there. So, all right. I'll give you a quick glance at the shop. Here we go. Lots of rare fish. Just a beautifully set up aquarium. There's several rows of aquariums here. And lots of tom bar wood available. And if you're lucky, you can get one of these nice little Scālz art prints. So, Melanorum, Dumerel angelfish. They sell them here too. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.